our milk. And if you like it more cheesy, add more cheese sauce.
Or you could even do this with an immersion blender.
You could, and we've got one. We got a gift from a beautiful person in
One of our
San Diego.
beautiful subscribers.
And we got a beautiful gift, and we're going to show you how to use an immersion blender. Okay, so here we go. We've got that, and it's starting to thicken up. Nice, very nice. So what we're going to do is take our pasta and go right back in with our pasta. This is our elbow macaroni pasta, okay? And I'm gonna stir it up, just like this. And then I've got some ham, some honey ham, and you know you can use turkey. You can use turkey meat. I'm using honey smoked ham that I've cubed up because we had some from Thanksgiving time. And we're gonna just take this, turn our heat down, and fold it right in to warm it up with our pasta. And here we go.
And the smoked turkey is delicious with the macaroni and cheese.
Smoked turkey is great, but Chef Pete is using smoked ham today.
Oh yeah,
so we're
that's
using
good too.
smoked, honey smoked ham. So the smoking, what it does is it puts the flavor into your delightful macaroni cheese. And there you go. That's all there is to this. And there you have it. A macaroni cheese as quick as you can boil the water.
Oh, is that beautiful?
This is Peter Carpizzo's. Give it a try. Okay, so foodies, here's our mac and cheese with smoked honey ham right there on the dish. And you know what? This makes a nice light meal if you've eaten heavy during the day, or your kids just want something, a little something. Make them mac and cheese. Mac and cheese, our favorite in the world. So this is Peter Carpizzo's Mac and Cheese Day.